Thank you, gentlemen. Always you were kind enough to hear me. In this video, version 2 of OQ versus PQ, first you accept my Namaste, Salam and Sastriyakal, Pranam. I spoke to you, I given insight out to you how a struggler owner moves with the different kind of the up and downs. And now I am talking to how slowly and steadily he becomes the professional and a organization and a full organization and the organization of the brand. He gets the people who are helpful. He gets the inspiration from them. He gets the means and resources, I mean to say, from where he can generate the fund, from where he can start generating the infrastructure which are required. I am talking to you, including table and chair, loan from the banks. One fine morning, one of his friends, he comes and he says, Dr. Srivastav, what are you doing? Oh, I am doing this. यार इसके लिए तो इतना पैसा चाहिए. हाँ भाई चाहिए, लेकिन हमारे पास तो नहीं है. So क्या करेंगे? Don't worry, my one of friend got the very easy loan from the bank, and that bank is this. Come with me and I will make you to meet him, and rest he will take over. And that is the way, completing lot of process, you finally got the loan, professional loan. You went next and next ladder of your success. And when you are having money, definitely you can develop the resources. 80% problem is over when you got the money. Then few problem and challenges, your challenges will change. How to pay back, how to hire the new people, how to have the office, where to have the office. And you yourself, where you were behaving very different way, very conservative way, sometimes very irrational way, all has taken over by positive. You become the professional. Your talk is changed, your walk is changed, your life is changed, your style is changed. And you started behaving with full zeal and enthu with your people. Seeing the things, conservatism gone out, and you become a positive personality, and that is the professional. Having good cash flow, having strong people, healthy people, professional in your organization, you changed your style of doing the business. And then you are being supported by the policies which are full of professional thoughts and approach. Your philosophy, your business philosophy is changed to a healthy professional philosophy. And thus you created the organization where you are taking care of all the employee with the professional deal. You are from a owner organization, कहते हैं ना, अरे यार ये तो ओनर जैसा बिहेव करते हैं, एक पेंसिल मांगो तो 10 दिन लगता है. एंड हियर व्हेन यू बिकम प्रोफेशनल, your cash flow is strong, your product is in market, then you become professional. You are meeting the need of your employees, you are meeting the need of your production, your service, you are meeting the need of your organization, and thus you are setting your target higher and higher. You are making your organization a systematic organization, and thus from owner oriented organization you are into the move of professional organization following the professional policies. And from here you accept lot of practices and system introduced by international agencies applicable to your product and services, and you thereafter started thinking to appoint a person of system and sometimes a brand manager. Why? I was owner, fine. With my effort, I got my professional organization. Now I want to be branded organization. Everything is self-spelled, self-propelled. You need not to talk about anything. And then you talk about internal vendor, external vendor, and the vendor at the globe. You don't talk, you stopped talking about the professional pleaser. Then you started talking about the perfectness. And overall delightment in and among your vendor, who he or who she may be. Respecting to the system adhered in the different qualities manuals or different quality practices, you are at the platform of the globe. You are at the platform of the national platform. People recognize you from your professional approach in the product, professional approach in the policy, your commitment, your quality standard, your delivery respect, means just in time. You are delivering well within the time you have declared. And then you start talking that by hook or by crook, respecting to the system, deliver the result to the client. Thus you work based upon the philosophy of the client delightment. So focus from pleasure shifted to the client delightment, and you become a recognized organization at the platform of the global village, global world, as well as establishing your brand in India, in your country too. So thus I had a very great experience way back 23 years, and out of that I got the knowledge. Then I published the international magazine under the banner of OQ versus PQ. I will just summarize in one sentence that if your willingness, ambition, desire says to become owner, then you will come across lot of negative environment, negative challenges. Don't leave it, rather leave it. Have the courage to leave it. Don't leave it. Oh, no, I cannot do it. It's painful. It's torturing. All these are the part of your highway. You have to leave it. You have to pass it. And then there is no defeat to struggler. Fate of struggler is faithful success. Having this in mind, you will win the all circumstances, and one day you will become a motivational speaker, a motivational in your business, fraternity, and to your vendors. I am sure you are having a good amount of knowledge, but coming down to hear this program has added something to you. And I am sure that if anyone is struggling like owner, may God, he or she should become a successful leader in his business fraternity. God bless to all of you. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself and obey the guidelines given in the epidemic and pandemic situation. Save yourself and save yourself. Respect your elder and live a wonderful life. Thank you. Take care of. Good night.